How to properly fill your Lamont SpinTouch Multiple Use SpinDisks. To start, notice that the Multiple Use SpinDisk is divided into 3 sections. Each section tests for 3 factors. This means the disk can be used 3 times, by filling a different section each time and testing those 3 factors. You don't have to fill the sections in 1, 2, 3 order. The meter knows which was most recently filled. A disk should be filled and then used within 10 minutes. They cannot be filled ahead of time. Each section on the Multiple Use SpinDisk has a fill hole. Fill one section to do one set of tests. Only one section needs to be filled at a time. The pink areas are the blank chambers that will get filled with your sample water. The blue areas are the overflow chambers which will end up partially filled with your sample water. To fill a spin disk, first insert the tip of the syringe into the sample water and slowly pull the plunger all the way up. Avoid getting any air bubbles in the syringe. Insert the tip of the syringe in a fill hole of an unused section of the disk. When inserted properly, the syringe will stand up on its own. When you fill the disk, the syringe must be perfectly vertical. Fill the disk using slow, even pressure. Add the sample water until the blank chamber is full and the overflow chamber is partially filled. Do not overfill the disk. If the disk is overfilled, the sample water will flow out of the vent hole in the center of the disk. If this happens, sample water may flow into the reagent chamber prematurely, and the test results will not be accurate. Begin a new test in the next chamber. Do not underfill the disk. If the disk is underfilled, the blank chamber will not be full and the test results will not be accurate. To remove an air bubble from the disk, insert the nearly empty syringe into the disk. Slowly pull the plunger up until the air bubble goes back into the syringe. Then slowly push the plunger back down to dispense the water sample back into the disk.